spiritual journey begins by satsang. That's the reason we say this engagement which we are in is called a satsang. Now the word satsang, even though we say satsang means to be in the company of the good, how does it fit into the system of life? Just to explain, how does it become so important? There is the three transactions of life, or the traffic of life. The three transactions are receipt of stimuli. Everything in life, action starts with a receipt. First, the world enters into you through a receipt of stimuli. Having entered, there is a reaction within you, and thereafter there is responses back into the world. So the reaction and the response heavily depends upon what is the receipt. It's like if you were to say, sir, the kurta you are wearing, the fabric is of a very fine quality. If you say this is a fabric of a very fine quality, this is the end product, this is the output. If you want the fabric to be of the best quality, you need to have the raw material of the best quality, isn't it? So the cotton that is put into the machinery has to be of the finest quality. The finest wool, the finest cotton must go in. And then the machines which process these raw material must be of the most sophisticated machine. You can't go back 200 years ago what our ancestors used to use. No. You can use, but then the product will be of that quality. You want the latest quality fabric, the latest machinery must be used. So the processing also must be of the highest order. The raw material must be good, the processing must be good, the end product also must be, like any moment you buy anything new, what is it that you see? You see the quality, but what do you see along with the product? The new car you're driving, na? When you took delivery of it, what did you find inside? Manual, manual, they would have had few stickers everywhere. Okay, and a tick mark. Quality control. A test to say yes, it is up to their standards. Because this is a product which is dispatched. Is it meet their standards? So this is the traffic of any production, any creation. So this is the traffic of life. Receipt, reaction, response. So if you want to excel in life, you have to take care all the three processes. So the very first process is receipt of stimuli. It means what is the sights you see? What sights are you seeing? What is the stimuli eye sees? What is the sound your ears hear? Are you lending your ears to all rubbish talk, gossiping? So what is the stimuli that is getting into you? What are the kind of emotions you're entertaining? What are the kind of thoughts you're entertaining?